Okay, so today I'm going to do an experiment because I really need to force my quail to start laying eggs. Now, I could wait until spring, but I don't want to do that because I need eggs now. Um, and I can't be paying the prices in the shops without massively blowing up our food budget. And I don't want to plug up normal lights because then I'm using electricity and everyone in the UK knows right now, you do not want to be using more electricity than you need to. So I went ahead and I had a look at what solar lights I could get, and I think this will be bright enough. I saw some of the fairy string lights, but I'm just not convinced that's going to be bright enough. And this one's 150 lumens and it's solar charged. So I'm hoping if this works, I'm going to get two more of them just as backups, and it should be an upfront cost, and then that's it. If there's one thing I want to cut down on this year, is things that I'm going to repeatedly need that could go up and up and up in price, like buying eggs from the shops, using electricity. Just, I'm happy with upfront costs. So today I'm going to set this up and see if it works. Right, so this is what's inside. I'm actually quite surprised by the size of that panel. It didn't look that big on the box, but that looks good. So I'm going to go outside and set that up. I'm actually really surprised by how solid this thing is. I thought it would feel all plasticky and flimsy, but this feels incredibly solid. Okay, so that's set up so that it points into their cage, or at least the first enclosure. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I made a second enclosure for them over here so that they've got this massive area to wander around in, and I'm slowly filling all these buckets up with berries so they can eat all the berries which grow on the bottom, all the things that fall off the fruit trees. There's one of them over there, just sitting in the sun. But this should be enough to shine into their cage and hopefully get them to start laying. And now I just need to wait and see if it works.